Hey everyone, this is a quick demo video for SendSnap, world's most powerful cloud-based messaging platform that combines the power of Messenger, bots, Instagram, SMS and email all under one central dashboard. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can see all the leads you have generated through Messenger or Instagram or your opt-in forms, the phone numbers you have collected, and the source of that subscriber, your subscribers' activity, everything is there. So for first, let's start with importing account. Go here, click login with Facebook, and it will ask for a few permissions. Just assign the page, click on next and done. Your page is connected to SendSnap now. Once the page is added, click on enable bot connection and the page will be added to your account. So let's start with email marketing. So all your contacts and leads will be in here, this contact section. So first of all, if you want to create group or segmentation for your contact, go here and click on new group, my first group, click on save, close. If you want to upload contacts to this list, click here. If you want to add one by one, go here, enter phone number and select the contact group and just click on save. This is one by one process, and if you want to import in bulk, go here, select your contact group and just upload the CSV file here and click on import. All of your contact phone numbers will be uploaded to SendSnap without any kind of approval or moderation process. Okay, so let's start with email marketing. Go to create email campaign, give it a name, my first campaign, give it a subject. You can select the rich text editor or drag and drop editor. So in rich text, this is HTML, what you see is what to get editor. So you can enter your message, customize the fonts, and just assign it a hyperlink here, customize it with your first name, last name, enter unsubscribe link here. You can even highlight the text, bold, italic, and stylize however you want. There are a lot of options there, and once you have created this, you can even save that as a template and use it later for a new campaign. Select your SMS email API that you can select from SendGrid, Amazon SES. There are multiple apps and you can integrate any SM email API with SendSnap. If you want to add some attachment like any image or video, you can upload it right here. You can select and target multiple or a single group from here, and it will show the total number of subscribers in that group. You can even target all of those customers accordingly to the page. For example, if someone is added to a group and the lead you acquired are from Messenger, you can select the page, select by label or include or exclude, and sort them according to gender, time zone and locale. So you can pinpoint and target them precisely, so the chances of the conversions are higher and you can build a better connection and a better interaction with them. You can send the message right away, or you can schedule it according to a specific time zone and click on create campaign. That's how easy it is. The same process applies with SMS campaigns. Just give it a name, type your message, personalize it with first name, last name, select your SMS API, which can be Twilio or other SMS APIs. It will show all the contacts and numbers here. You can target them according to the Facebook page, and country code here. You can upload the CSV from here too, and just create campaign. So you can send SMS campaigns from this dashboard. For next, there is Facebook automation. So let's start with auto comment. You can see all the posts here of your page. Just click on, you can enable auto reply, auto comment, or leave a comment. For example, hi testing comment. Click on create comment. and you can check that comment here. Hi, testing comment 1 minute ago. So for the rest, and if you want to send a non-promotional broadcast to all your subscriber of the page, click on create campaign, and here first campaign, select your page, non-promo or 24 hours promo. According to Facebook, you can only send promotional message to all your subscriber within 24 hours of window. You can sort them according to their gender, time zone, locale, send them text, for example hi, and click on create campaign. You can see the report here. You can say this is completed, and let me check it. Here I got the message. So you can send campaigns from here. If you want to set up a chat bot, go to bot settings, just click on add bot reply. For example, first bot keyword, for example, if you type price here, so if someone messages you with the keyword price in that, it will send an automated reply. You can send text, image, audio, video, or there are a lot of options. For example, let's personalize it. Hey, the price is 17. Okay, you can add more replies here. Click on submit. Okay, so for example, if I send hey, what is the price, and enter, so it will automatically reply with your set chatbot. And you can connect your favorite autoresponder, either it's MailChimp, Sendinblue, ActiveCampaign, and other here. So you can collect those leads directly inside your autoresponder without any external tool or Zapier. You can set the getting started messages. If someone messages you for the first time, what you want to send them. If you want to set some icebreakers, you can set them here. You can change the action buttons. For example, if you ask for an email, and when they reply with the email, what you want to send them for phone number, birthdays, or chat with human option. You can set a persistent menu here, so there will be a default menu like FAQs or your gallery or your product catalog. You can show them here, so they just have to click on that link from the menu, and you can show them your desired result. You can even set up a messenger or an SMS campaign too. So you can add a sequence, send them an email after 24 hours. You can select your messages that you can set from the chatbot templates after 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, hours, or on a daily basis. There have been a bunch of tutorials here for each and every step. You can find them here. There have been some bonuses, and you can ask us any question if the tutorial doesn't solve that. So there is a lot of features inside the app, and we are really excited to see you inside.